Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send Tidycal booking in Telegram channel. So here let's say that whenever a new booking is made in my Tidycal account, then I want to send the same booking details in my channel in Telegram. So now to do this, I have to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Tidycal and my action application will be Telegram. So now to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send Tidycal booking in Telegram channel. So here let's say that whenever a new booking is made in my Tidycal account, then I want to send the booking details in my Telegram channel. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So here I will sign in as an existing user, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So here as an existing user, I will simply sign in. This here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And here in this dialog box appearing, I have named it as Send Tidycal booking in Telegram channel, and over here on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I have created. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Tidycal, and now here I am going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to send Tidycal booking in Telegram channel. So here in my trigger window, I am going to use Tidycal as my trigger application. And here the trigger event will be new booking. So here I have selected my trigger application and the trigger event. So now moving ahead with my action application, as I want to send Tidycal booking in Telegram channel. So here I am going to search for Telegram as my action application. So here I will be using Telegram bot. And now in the action event, that will be to send a text message or reply. So here I have selected my action application and the action event. And here is my trigger application and the trigger event. So now moving with my use case, as I want to send Tidycal booking in Telegram channel, so here I need to establish a connection between Tidycal and Pabbly Connect. So here I will simply click on connect. And here if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I have already opened Tidycal in one of my tabs and I have logged into my account. So here I am simply going to click on connect. And the authorization is successful. So now over here, you can see that Tidycal is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So here, as I will click on save and send test request, the old booking will be captured over here. So let me click on this. So here you can see that these are the details of the old booking which might have created before. So over here, now I will take you to my Tidycal account, and over here, these are the bookings which I have already created. So over here, if you want to create a new booking type, you can go to plus create new booking type. And over here, you can select a title. So here I'm mentioning the title as PHP course for beginners workshop. So here this is the title, and over here this is the URL, and now over here I will mention a description. So now here I've added the description. So over here scrolling down, I need to select the duration. So I'm selecting the duration as 30 minutes. It's done. So over here I need to select the availability for the booking. So over here I'm only making it as Monday. So I'm removing these dates, and now I'm going to click on create booking type. So here you can see that success, your booking type was saved. That means now this booking type is successfully created. So over here, I will copy this link, open this link in a new tab. And here this is the booking page.
So over here, I'm going to make a dummy booking. So as I've selected the availability for this booking as Monday, that is 23rd. So over here, I'm selecting the time as 4:30 p.m. And now over here in this dialog box appearing, to confirm my booking, I need to enter my name. So here I've mentioned these details, and now I will simply click on book event. And you can see that the booking is confirmed. So here is the title, that was PHP course for beginners. Here you can see the date and time. Here is the duration, that is 30 minutes. So now I will take you to Pabbly Connect, and here again I will click on save and send test request. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see the response for the booking that I've just made. So over here you can see the start at time, the end time. Here is the booking type title. So that was PHP course for beginners. Scrolling down, so here you can see the email, and here is the contact name. So that means the details of the booking that was just made is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is successfully done. Now whenever a new booking will be made in TidyCal, then automatically the details of that booking will be added over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger application is a polling based application. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So now over here, as the trigger application is done, moving to the action window over here, as I've selected the application as Telegram bot and the action event to send a text message or reply. So here I need to establish a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention the token. So here are the instruction given. Read this instruction given below carefully, because this will help you to get the token. So firstly, I have to go to Telegram, and then I have to search for BotFather. And once I do that, then I need to send a message to BotFather as /new bot. So then a bot will be generated, and then I need to provide a username for my bot, and then I will receive a message regarding the token. So now I will take you to my Telegram account. So over here I've searched for BotFather, and now over here I'm going to click on start. So as in Pabbly Connect, it was said that I need to send this message to BotFather. Over here I'm going to paste it and going to send the same message. And here you can see that it says, alright, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So here I want to name my bot as TidyCal. So here I'm giving the name. Now I need to select the username, and I need to follow the same format. So I'm naming my bot as TidyCal _bot, and I will send this. So here you can see that a new bot is created, and here is the token. Now I will simply copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste it. And now I will click on save. So here you can see that the connection is successful. Now again I will go back to Telegram, and now over here I will go to this bot link so I can bring this bot into conversation. So now here I'm going to click on start. And over here you can see that now this bot is visible in my conversations. So moving back to Pabbly Connect, here as my objective is to send TidyCal booking in Telegram channel. So here in Telegram, I'm going to create a new group. So here I'm creating a new group, and I'm going to add this bot as one of the member. So here is the bot, and now I will go ahead, and over here I'm naming the group as TidyCal bookings. And now I will again go ahead. So once this is done, now I need to make this bot as the admin, and the same access can be given through your mobile phone. And here you can see that I have provided the admin access to the bot. So now over here what I will do is I will go back to Pabbly Connect. Over here I need to mention the chat ID. So here in Telegram, in this URL given, this here is the chat ID. So I will simply copy it, go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I'm going to paste it. So as I've pasted the chat ID for the target channel, moving to the text message, over here I need to frame the message. So over here this is the message which I want to send. Now here I'm going to mention the name. So here to mention the name, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here as I've received the response from TidyCal, So over here, I'm going to search for the name. And now over here, I need to select the email. So here I'm going to map the email as well. And here is the email. Now the booking. So over here, I will write what is this booking for. So I will search for the booking title. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken over here into consideration. If I would have written these details manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that, we map the information. So as over here, I've mapped the information for these fields like name, email, booking. So these fields will keep on changing as per the new response we'll received. Now once this is done, I'm simply going to scroll down and now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Telegram channel and over here you can see that a new message has been received. It goes as new booking details. Here you can see the name, email, booking. So this integration and automation was a successful one. Now whenever a new booking will be made in TidyCal, then automatically a message will be sent in your Telegram channel.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.